this is what I want to make. It's a simple, I'm going to make it, my checkbook cover. I've had this thing for, I don't even know how long I've had it. It's one of the very first things I made. I needed a place to put my checkbook. The one that I had was great. I copied it. And my wife, my old one was gray, and my wife wrote on it and pissed me off. So I made this. I made this out of some chrome tan leather. It's great. This was out of a Hobby Lobby bag, actually. But don't want to show you my count number. It's not quite, I want it a little longer so it's easier to put money in and out of it. So I want to make it into kind of a long wallet as opposed to just a checkbook cover. But I want to be able to do the checkbook cover and the long wallet, and I will probably have card pockets in it. So I'm thinking I'll make it big enough where I can put money behind the checkbook. Some card pockets in here. Right now I just have cards stuffed in the back here. But it's handy. It's a good size. It's not too big. I'm only going to extend it. I'm probably going to go maybe I'll go another ½ an inch just to make it a little easier to use. But there's enough room there to put my card slots. I'll just do some vertical slots just like the ones I got here. I use about 4 of them. I should be able to fit a 4th one on there if I add a ½ an inch to it. And that should work out pretty well. At least the way I think it does. So, I'm going to get to this. I'm going to use the same leather. It's going to be heavy duty. You'll be able to whip that in and out of your pocket. I may put a snap closure on it. I haven't decided yet. But let's get to making a pattern.